Ugh, this box is very heavy. I cannot move it.
Hello there. Do you need some help?
Oh, hello. You are my new neighbor, right?
Yes, my name is Oliver. I moved in yesterday.
Nice to meet you, Oliver. I am Lily.
You look very tired, Lily. Is that box full of books?
Yes, it is very full. I am a teacher.
Books are always heavy. I can help you.
Really? That is a big favor.
It is no problem at all. I'm quite strong.
Can you help me move it to the porch?
Of course I can. Just show me the way.
It is just over there. Follow me, please.
Wow, you are right. This is heavy.
I am so sorry. I have too many books.
Don't be sorry. I like books too.
What kind of books do you like?
I like history and science. And you?
I love literature and stories. I teach English.
That is a wonderful job. My mother was a teacher.
Really? What did she teach?
She taught music and piano. She loved it.
Music is beautiful. I love the piano.
Here we go. The box is safe.
Thank you so much, Oliver. You are very kind.
You are very welcome. Anything else?
No, this is perfect. You are a lifesaver.
Happy to help a neighbor. Have a nice day.
You too, Oliver. See you soon.
See you soon, Lily.
Oliver, wait. Can I ask one more favor?
Yes, Lily, what is it?
I have a small problem. There is water on the floor.
Water on the floor. Where is it coming from?
I think it is the kitchen sink. It is leaking.
I can take a look. I have some tools.
Oh, thank you. I am not good with pipes.
Don't worry about it. I fix things at home.
Please, come inside. The kitchen is this way.
You have a very cozy house. I like the colors.
Thank you. I like yellow and blue.
Look, there's a small puddle here.
Yes, it started 10 minutes ago. I am worried.
It is okay, Lily. It is a small leak.
Can you fix it, or do I need a plumber?
I can try to fix it now. It looks simple.
That is very nice of you. I am so lucky.
Neighbors help each other. That is normal.
I can give you some coffee. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love black coffee. Thank you.
I will make it now. You are a hero.
I am not a hero. I'm just Oliver.
To me, you are a hero today.
I need a wrench. Do you have a toolbox?
I have a small one. It is under the stairs.
Let me go and get it. I will be fast.
Thank you again. I really appreciate this.
No problem at all. I like fixing things.
You are a very handy neighbor.
I try my best, Lily.
Oliver, the sink is perfect now. You are amazing.
It was an easy fix. The pipe was just loose.
Can I ask for another small favor? Just one.
Sure, Lily. What do you need?
I want to move this armchair. It is too heavy.
Where do you want to put it? Near the window?
Yes, I want to read there. The light is better.
That is a great idea. Reading in the sun is nice.
Can we move it together? I can pull.
No, you stay there. I will push it.
Are you sure? It looks very heavy.
I am sure. 1, 2, 3, push.
Watch out for the lamp.
I see it. The chair is moving now.
Stop! This place is perfect. Thank you.
It looks very cozy here. You have a good eye.
Now I can see my flowers. I love my garden.
Your garden is very beautiful. You work hard.
I do. Flowers make me happy every morning.
Do you grow roses? I saw some outside.
Yes, I have red and white roses. They smell great.
I want to grow vegetables. Maybe some tomatoes?
Tomatoes are easy. I can give you some seeds.
That would be a great favor. Thank you.
Of course, we can trade favors.
That is a good deal. Seeds for repairs.
I like this deal. It is very fair.
I am glad we are neighbors, Lily.
Me too, Oliver. You are very helpful.
It is my pleasure. See you later.
Oliver, sorry to bother you again. Are you busy?
Hello, Lily. No, I am just drinking water.
I cannot reach the top shelf. I am too short.
I am tall. I can help you with that.
I need that green book. It is about history.
This one? It has a gold title.
Yes, that is the one. Thank you so much.
You have so many books. Do you read them all?
I try to. Some are for my students.
You were a very dedicated teacher. I can see that.
I love my students. They are very curious.
Curiosity is good. It makes life interesting.
Can you help me with one more book?
Sure. Which one do you need now?
The big blue one, near the window.
Here you go. This is a heavy one.
It is an atlas. I love maps of the world.
Maps are fascinating. I want to travel one day.
Where do you want to go, Oliver?
I want to see the mountains in Italy.
That sounds wonderful. I want to see London.
London is a great city. You will love it.
I want to visit the big libraries there.
Of course you do. You are Lily, the book lover.
Is it that obvious? I love libraries.
It is very obvious. Your house is a library.
Thank you for the books, Oliver. You are great.
No problem. I am happy to reach things for you.
You are a very tall and kind hero.
See you soon, Lily. Enjoy your atlas.
Oliver, can I ask a big favor for next week?
Next week? Are you going somewhere?
Yes, I am going to a teacher's conference.
That sounds important. Where is the conference?
It is in the city. I will be away for 3 days.
Okay. How can I help you, Lily?
Can you water my plants? They need water every day.
Of course. I can come every evening.
Is that okay? It is a lot of work.
It is no work at all. I like your garden.
The roses need a lot of water, and the lilies too.
Lilies for Lily. That is very easy to remember.
Yes, they are my favorite flowers.
I will be very careful, I promise.
Here is the key to the garden gate.
Thank you. I will keep it safe.
I can give you some cake when I come back.
You don't have to do that, but I love cake.
My mother's recipe is the best. It is lemon cake.
Lemon cake is my favorite. Now I am excited.
Then it is a deal. Plants for cake.
I am a very lucky neighbor. Thank you.
No, I am the lucky one. You are so helpful.
I like spending time in your garden. It is peaceful.
I will show you where the hose is.
Is it near the big tree? I saw it there.
Yes, it is right there. It is very long.
I will find it. Don't worry about anything.
Thank you, Oliver. You are a true friend.
Have a great trip, Lily.
Lily, can I ask you for a favor today?
Of course, Oliver. What do you need?
I need a ladder. I want to clean my windows.
I have a ladder in the garage. You can use it.
Is it a tall ladder? My windows are high.
Yes, it is very tall. My father used it.
That is perfect. I can come and get it now.
I will open the garage for you. Follow me.
Your garage is very organized. You have many tools.
Most of them are my father's. I don't use them.
I can teach you how to use them one day.
That would be nice. I want to build a birdhouse.
A birdhouse is a great project. We can do it together.
Really? That would be so much fun.
This ladder is perfect. Thank you.
You are welcome. Be careful on the ladder, Oliver.
I will be very careful. I don't want to fall.
Please don't fall. I need my helpful neighbor.
I will be safe. I promise you.
Do you need help holding the ladder?
No, it is okay. I can do it alone.
Okay, but call me if you need anything.
I will. Thank you for the ladder, Lily.
You are welcome. Good luck with the windows.
My windows are very dirty. It will take time.
They will be very shiny after you finish.
I hope so. I want to see the sun.
You will see everything clearly now.
See you later, Lily. Thanks again.
Bye, Oliver. Have a good workday. Oliver, I have a big problem.
What is wrong, Lily? You look very worried.
I cannot find my cat, Daisy. She is missing.
Oh no. When did you see her last?
1 hour ago. She was in the garden.
Don't cry, Lily. We will find her together.
Can you help me look for her, please?
Of course.
I will check behind the garage.
I will check under the bushes. Daisy, Daisy.
Is she a white cat or a black one?
She is white with small gray spots.
Okay, I see something white near the tree.
Is it her? Daisy, is that you?
No, it is just a plastic bag. I am sorry.
Oh, I am so scared. She is very small.
Let's look in my garden. Maybe she is there.
Good idea. She likes your new flowers.
Wait, I hear something. Listen.
Is it a meow? I can't hear anything.
It is coming from the tall grass. Look.
Daisy, there you are, you naughty cat.
She was just sleeping in the sun.
Thank you, Oliver. Thank you.
I am so happy she is safe. She is cute.
I was so worried. You are a great friend.
It's okay, Lily. We found her quickly.
I need to sit down. My heart is beating fast.
Let's go to the porch. You need some water.
You always know what to do. Thank you.
That's what neighbors are for, Lily.
Oliver, please sit down. The tea is ready.
Thank you, Lily. It smells very good.
This is special herbal tea. It is very relaxing.
I need to relax. Today was a busy day.
You helped me so much. I am very grateful.
I enjoyed helping you. You were a good neighbor.
I have some biscuits too. They are homemade.
Taking a biscuit. These are delicious. You are a great cook.
Thank you. My grandmother taught me to bake.
Cooking is a great skill. I only make pasta.
Pasta is good too. I love Italian food.
Maybe I can cook for you one day?
That would be wonderful. I would love that.
It is a deal. Dinner at my house next week.
I will bring the dessert. Lemon cake?
Perfect. I'm already hungry for it.
Look at the sunset. The sky is very purple.
It is very beautiful. Your garden is the best place.
I am happy you like it here, Oliver.
I am happy I moved next door to you.
We are a good team, aren't we?
Yes, we are. Repairs, books, and gardens.
And finding cats, don't forget that.
Yes, that was the most important one.
Thank you for being my friend, Oliver.
Thank you for being mine, Lily.
Let's have another cup of tea.
Yes, please. This is a perfect evening.
I agree. It is very peaceful.
Cheers to good neighbors, Lily.